So last June, my husband at the time and I decided that we were no longer going to be married. So upon referral, my mom had suggested Greg Denney to help us go through the divorce proceedings. He has been great in keeping me informed and keeping both parties in contact and things at bay and things moving, and made what could have been very, very hard at the time very calming and very easy. There were a lot of fears. Unfortunately, with this division, we had everything. You could check off the box with custody, domestic abuse, financials, to sell a house and divide 12 years worth of stuff can be a lot, and things that you don't necessarily want to divide like kids. So to go through the domestic abuse part of it, plus the children, plus the properties, it was easier. Hard day to day, but easy overall. I mean, anytime I would freak out, give him a call, 2 seconds later, he would explain where we're at and just reaffirm our process was fine. We all go through that little freak out process for a second, and he just, with a couple words in his voice, will wrangle you back down to earth and makes it sound so easy. For him, it is second nature what he does, and can put it in a form that whether you're upset, stressed, overworked, it made sense and worked. It really did. There were two things that really stood out to me with Greg Denney. Was I know lawyers on TV, and I have a couple lawyer friends, and I had been referred to another one or two people over the years. Greg is frank, but not condescending. He's very down to earth. Those two things combined made him very easy to work with, but you didn't feel like you weren't getting anywhere. That's not to say his demeanor isn't pit bull. He will go after what you need to go after, and is not afraid to do that, but his demeanor is very calming when you're with him. He's very frank. He doesn't talk over you. He's very approachable. In a world where we want to show women are powerful and can do anything that we want and anything a man can do, there is something to be said about having someone that can be a bully with you, for you, and to go to Greg instead of searching another female or a team of people. He can stand with you and fight for you just the same as you could. There's nothing wrong with asking for help, and especially for a gentleman with a family like his, he actually puts that in his work. Absolutely would recommend Greg Denney to anybody with going through anything, whether it's hard or easy. He's worth the consultation, he's worth the time, he's worth the energy, he's worth the money, he's worth talking to, absolutely.